In this video, I'm going to do exercise 1. Choose the most appropriate future forms to complete the dialogues below. Choose the present continuous where possible. Dialogue 1. Daughter says, "Dad, could you take me to the city centre this afternoon?" And the father says, "Of course, I would like to recommend that you pause the video to think about your answers to these questions, because I'm going to give the answer straight away." So, father says, "Of course, I'll drive you there after lunch." So we're using will for a spontaneous decision. I also need to go downtown because I'm meeting a client at 3 o'clock. So this is present continuous for an arrangement. Where do you need to go? Daughter says, "To the library. I'm going to borrow a couple of books that I need for university." So this is going to for an intention. Father, "No problem. I'll leave you there on my way to the office." Dialogue 2. Roy, "What time are you leaving tomorrow?" Valeria, "Very early. I'm taking the 6:50 train." "Do you have the ticket?" "Not yet, because I'm going to buy it online when I arrive home." Dialogue 3. Ruth, "I'm going for a drink with Jessica this evening. Would you like to come?" So present continuous for an arrangement. Sandra, "No, I'm going to finish the book I am reading. I need to finish it before tomorrow." So going to for an intention. I wouldn't use the present continuous here because Sandra isn't finishing the book with other people. She's doing it by herself. Ruth, "Why do you need to finish it for tomorrow?" "Because I'm meeting my friends from the reading club tomorrow afternoon." Present continuous for an arrangement. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to do exercise 2. Thank you.